Hey there, and welcome to our patio. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two Festivals Mealtime mentors, and today we are grilling up a delicious cheesy chicken recipe.
That's right, Lauren. Today we're making a grilled Salsa Verde chicken.
With the star of our show really being that Salsa Verde.
Exactly. So let's get started on that marinade. Like you said, Salsa Verde is the star of the show.
And we're just using just a jarred Salsa Verde. Feel free to pick out your favorite type.
A little bit of freshly squeezed lime juice, some garlic, lots of really great simple flavors in here.
Definitely.
Olive oil, cumin, and some chili powder. I'm just going to give that a quick whisk together.
So a really easy marinade. You want to let your chicken marinate for at least 20 minutes. The longer you let your chicken marinate, the more it's going to take on all these great flavors that we use to make our marinade. But at least 20 minutes, if you can get that, that is perfect.
Yeah, so I want to toss this and make sure everything is nice and coated.
Yes, and we're using 4 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts today.
All right, so like you said, we would let this marinate for 20 minutes, but we have some that's already done.
Perfect.
There you go.
And we have our grill heated, so we're going to add these right to our grill. These are going to grill for about 6 to 10 minutes per side. After 6 to 10 minutes, we're actually going to baste it with some more of that Salsa Verde, which will be really great.
Yeah, it adds a lot of extra flavor.
Yes, so we will let this cook. All right, so our chicken, let's see how it looks. Oh, yep,
Beautiful.
looks good. So we're going to give all of these a quick flip. Really nice. There we go. All right, so now we are going to baste each one with a little bit more Salsa Verde, a little bit more flavor, and then we will let them cook again for another 6 to 10 minutes until they're cooked through. All right, we can hear our chicken sizzling, so let's give it a look here. Looks
Yum.
great. All right, so once your chicken is finished cooking, the next step, we're going to take a slice of Monterey Jack cheese and put 1 slice over each chicken breast. And then we're going to top each slice of cheese with some jalapenos. So today we're using fresh jalapenos. If those are a little too spicy for you, could definitely use pickled. Those would be really good.
Or you could just leave it off too. The Salsa Verde gives it a lot of really great flavor, so the jalapeno is definitely not needed, but it's kind of a nice little kick.
Yeah, so we're going to close this. Let this cook for just a couple more minutes, really until the cheese is melty. So you can kind of keep an eye on it, but about 4 minutes. All right, let's check on this chicken.
Beautiful.
Perfect. Cheese is melted, so I'm going to serve up one for Jenny.
Thank you.
And another
Nice
one closer to you for me.
Oh,
Some
so
of that
cheesy.
cheese. Yeah.
All right, so now we've got our toppings.
Yeah.
We're going to top it off with, of course, more Salsa Verde.
We've also got some cilantro here.
Yum. A little bit of red onion.
Top our own here. Oh, I love salsa verde.
So good.
This would be great served with a side of brown rice, salad.
The salad would be really good. Yeah, some beans.
Yes, beans would be really good.
But like you said earlier, this is a really good like star of the plate because
Yes.
it's a beautiful chicken dish.
For sure. A little lime. Yum. This looks so good. Should we give it a try?
Yeah.
Get in here and cut a little piece off. Oh, I love the cheese. It just helps cut through a lot of the spice in this dish. So much flavor.
It's super tender, very juicy.
Yes, a little tangy too.
Yeah, I love the salsa in this.
Well, we hope you make chicken the star of your plate tonight.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit fastfoods.com.